Right guys, just going to run over the New Holland RB150 round baler. Also comes in a 180 size. This is your standard super feed, which also comes in a rotor cutter machine if you want to do silage or something like that. Starting to pick up, double auger feature, will pretty well feed any type of crop. Makes up to a 5-foot bale. Now comes with standard moisture meter settings, heavy duty belt. We'll pack a very nice heavy round bale for you in any conditions. Just a few maintenance tips on the round balers. Always keep up your greasing, keep them well blown down. You want to keep all your bearings and your chains oiled and greased. Keep all your crop built up. You don't want them built up in here, otherwise it can cause fire damage. And don't pressure wash them, that just wrecks them. Just keep them blown down with air, good tip. And always keep your chains tight is the biggest thing we find. Loose chains, wears out sprockets, gets very expensive. So these are your chain adjusters, keep them down to the guides. In your book it gives you a chain length, a spring length on that one. And the same with your chain adjusters down here. Nice easy guide to keep an eye on. So on your RB150 models, 540 PDO, you want around 120 horsepower tractor to run it nicely. If you go up to a 180, you might want a bit bigger, but 120 horsepower should run it smoothly.